Hello guys, how you doing? My name is Victor Anyanwu. Welcome to today's video. So today I'm talking about some very crazy strategies that we use when we are running adverts. Okay, so when we're running adverts, there's something we call Facebook advert management. All right, it means that every time we are running your advert, we are looking at the advert on a daily basis, on an hourly basis, checking out what is happening, following the trend to see where we can take advantage of highs, all right, and where if we have lows, see how to fix it and what we can do. So that's why Facebook advert management is crucial. You should not just wake up, set up your Facebook ads and run away. All right, my name is Victor Anyanwu. They call me the social media oracle. I'm a business and healthcare social media strategist. I run a social media agency. What we do is we help you run Facebook and Instagram ads, online marketing adverts to reach audiences that would buy from you. All right, we manage social media profiles, social media accounts, brand accounts, help you attract prospects online and convert them to paying customers. So that's what we do. All right, so I'm going to share with you some of these strategies today. So if you have your friends around, just call them and watch this video. All right, don't worry, I won't waste your time. It's just a barely 5, 6, 7 minutes video. All right, so call your friends, like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't, please like, comment and subscribe so that you would not miss a show. Subscribe, click the notification button so that you will not miss a show. All right, every week I release 2 videos. It's possible for you to miss it. So how do you make sure that you don't miss it? You subscribe, you click the notification button, right? You like the video and you comment on the video. I would see the comment and I will respond to you. Do you understand? Thank you so much to all our subscribers. Thank you. We've been growing and growing and growing. Thank you so much for being here. I am extremely grateful. All right, so let us go into today's topic. I'll be with you in a minute. All right, so we are back. Thank you for holding on. So I'm talking about strategies that I use, strategies that we use in our company to improve every advert that we set up. All right, so this is how we start. The first thing that we do when setting up adverts is setting up on adverts. We have made sure that we've picked the right platform for the advert. Is it Facebook? Is it Instagram? All right, is it Twitter? Is it LinkedIn? Whatever platform that we're using. 1, 2, we have made sure that we've picked the right audience. What audience can connect with the offer or with whatever we're trying to sell? We are sure we are clear on that audience. Do you understand? Then when we have done all of that, the next thing that we do is this. We set up the adverts on whatever platform, but we start low. The budget is always low. All right? The budget is always low. The advert starts up gradually and it grows and it grows and it grows. And every hour we're watching, every day we're watching, all right? At the end of, say, a day or 2, 3 days, all right, we increase the budget. If everything has gone well, we see that the advert is performing really well, we increase the budget. Do you understand? We increase the budget so that we can get in more people, all right? So you increase the budget and you watch, all right? So maybe you add like 10% more or 20% more, all right? And you watch. And you see what's happening, right? Sometimes while watching this advert, you notice a dip, all right? So what's responsible for the dip? Why is that? Let's say you were getting 100,000 people per day, right? For example. Then all of a sudden you started getting 80,000 people, 70-something thousand people. Why? What happened? You have to take a look at your adverts, all right? Now, there is something called audience expansion. When you are setting up your adverts, right? Let's say on Facebook now, for example, it's possible to keep a space, all right, and tell Facebook that if this advert is performing well, you can attract another audience, all right? Attract more audience. That is, the advert is good for this audience I have picked. Please attract more people. Give space for the advert to expand. Do you understand? Now, what happens is there are certain times when you're running an ad, there are certain people that will be online at particular times. All right. Now, when they are online at particular times, your advert might perform very well at that time, probably because they are online. All right. Another thing that could happen is Your advert could have maybe some type of organic reach, organic exposure, right? That would improve its performance. So it is possible that the advert can shoot. So if you have put a limit on the adverts and say reach 100,000 people every day, maybe because of your budget, all right? So you've put a budget cap that, yeah, I don't want to spend more than 100. I don't want to reach more than 100,000 people per day because of my budget. Then the day the advert ought to have performed better, all right, it will not, because of that cap that you have put. So what do? We remove the cap and we say expand if you see a better audience at any time. So what Facebook does for us is, while running the advert, any day the advert is to perform better, any day you have more people online engaging with it, Facebook just keeps shooting it to them. All right, so the advert can shoot up and climb up and perform better than it would have if we have placed the cap. I hope I made sense with that. All right, so do not place a cap on your audience. Give space for Facebook to expand your audience if it will mean that you get better results with your adverts. Do you understand? So we do that. All right, so that works, and you can get that performance, improved performance. If possible, if you know that on time, increase your budget again. All right, get in more people. All right, the more people you get to know about what you are doing, the more people you get to click to check out what you are doing, the more likely you will convert people. All right, if you are getting 10 people and you're converting 2, if you can get in 100, all right, you could be converting 20. Do you get the idea now? So getting more people so that you can convert more. All right, so any opportunity you have to get in more people, you do it. Do you understand? Any opportunity you have to get in more people, you do it. If you're looking at, let's say the advert is set up like a week, all right, and you're looking at it and you notice that increase, all right, what could have been responsible for the increase? Was the increase as a result of your increase in budget? Was the increase as a result of the audience expansion? What was responsible? You need to know so that next time you can recreate that increase. All right, that is what Facebook advert management is. You look at what happened with a particular advert so that you can recreate it with another one. Do you understand? If maybe you're always getting some cool results with a particular audience, you can take that audience and run with some other ads. All right, I was talking with a client a few days ago, and she is into the fashion business. She was doing shirts before, now she's doing shoes. All right, and she felt that because she was doing shirts, the shoes guys wouldn't be interested in what the shirt guys were interested, right? So she was trying to create a different audience for the shoe guys. And I was like, why not just use the same guys, right? The same audience that you use for the shirts, use it for the shoes. Why? The guys that wear the shoes will wear shirts now. They won't wear shoes without shirts. Come on, all right? No, at least you can't just wear shoe and walk out naked. You need to wear shirt first. Right? You wear shirt and you wear your shoes. So why not run to the same audience? And what we found out was that audience performed way better than the audience she was creating. Why? That audience already knew her. The audience was already in love with her products. They were already good. She didn't need to talk to them much. They were like, ah, damn, this is good. This shoe is good. The shirt I bought from her was good. I'm sure this shoe will be better. Do you understand? So the audience already knew her. So many times, you will try to create new audiences. All right? Don't do that. You can reuse audiences that have performed well for you. All right? So you just need to be sure of what worked for you. Look at what worked for you and try to recreate what worked. All right? You can scale, increase, improve. All right? If the audience is not working, let's say the audience gives you bad results. Right. Sometimes you might think it's the audience. So you actually need to do what we call a Facebook advert audit to be sure of what it is. It might not be the audience. It might be the offer that you're giving the audience. All right. As I said before, and as I say in all my videos and say in all my trainings, a lion cannot eat grass. If you offer a lion grass, the guy will not eat. He is not being proud. He just cannot eat grass. Right? A goat cannot eat flesh. He doesn't have to prove to you that, man, he's the guy. You know, he's solid. He knows what he's doing. So he now leaves the the grass that he normally eats and goes for your flesh. He won't do that. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you have to make sure that you're putting the right offer to the right audience in the first place. So it might not just be audience issues. It might be how you have set up your offer, how you have set up the creative to attract people to that offer. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you need to check out all this. Do a Facebook audit to check out where your dips are coming from. All right? Check out where the poor results are coming from. You were getting 100,000 people every day. Now you're getting 80. Now you're getting 70, 60. Why? Do an audit. Check it out. Did something happen? All right? Is it that your budget is shrinking? Is it that you could have increased it but you didn't? All right? So you need to check out all of this. Every time you're running an advert, don't just click on it, click advert promote, then go and sit down. No. Click promote, watch every day. All right? Start low budget, increase with time. All right? And as you increase, watch what is happening. Watch what is happening. Find ways to take advantage of what is happening. All right? If you see good performances, continue. Scale, increase. All right? If you see poor performances, find out what's wrong. What can you change? What can you improve? Do you understand? So this is very important when running ads. Facebook advert management. Not to just run or click promote and you run away and expect ₦1 million at the end. No. You click, you put all your eggs in a particular basket and you watch the basket. You're like, okay, this basket has to perform. So you're watching the basket. So that's what you should do with your Facebook adverts, right? So if you have issues with Facebook adverts, if you need someone to help you with your Facebook adverts, we're on a Facebook advert agency. We can help you, all right? If you're interested in social media management, we can help you, all right? Anything related to social media marketing, we can help you. Send me a message on 081 7710 8267 and let us have a chat. Let us find ways to fix your social media issues and have you making money online. All right, so that's what we do every day. Thank you today for watching. Join me again in my next video. Invite someone. If you have enjoyed what I've shared with you today, please like the video. All right, subscribe and click the notification button so that you don't miss my next video. All right, every week I release 2 videos talking about some great things, some of the issues that we face every day managing advert, the questions people ask us. We deal with all these things in our videos. All right, so see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe, like, comment. All right, and you can follow me across all social media platforms at the Oracle VA, at TheOracleva. All right, thank you so much. See you in the next class.